Well, hi folks, welcome to Kitchen Tips Online, and on this video I'm going to show you how to clean non-stick pans, from frying pans to meatloaf pans to cupcake tins. And when this video is over, you're probably going to say, hey, why didn't I think of that? Obviously, before you do this at home, you'll want to scrape out all the loose pieces, but I left them in here for demonstration purposes. We'll go ahead and add our cleaner, but that's only part of the process. You need to have super hot water. Now, I went ahead and heated up some water in the microwave because it's easier for me to do this in the sink. The water temperature needs to be at least 160 degrees. Then we'll go ahead and stir everything up and let it sit for 30 minutes. This process can be used on any type of non-stick pan, including ceramic, and my crusty meatloaf pan. Believe it or not, folks, the cleaning solution I use is our old friend OxiClean. Now, if you think we did a good job on this video, a thumbs up would certainly be appreciated. Thanks for watching.